And now back to Bobby Likis Car Clinic and your host, Bobby Likis.
And welcome back to this segment of Bobby Likis Car Clinic. As promised, I want to share with you the winning car story. And we would ask, in collaboration with our partner sponsors, Bosch Auto Parts, the best, we'd ask you to send us your car story as a precursor to Father's Day. And it was based on how your father helped you get over a crisis with your automobile. So we've chosen a winner of our $100 gift card, and that winner is in Paso Robles, California, which just happens to be where Saxum Wine Company is, which is, well, I guess my favorite. But I want to read this to you, and then I'm going to go to Jerry in Nebraska and Ron, who are in the queue. So stay tuned, and now's a good time to call in. But folks, I want to share this with you. It's really cool. Dear Bobby, here's my car story. It was the rainiest night on record here on the central coast of California. The night of December 5th to 6th, 1966, many years ago, about 5.5 inches of rain, as I remember. I'd come home too late, and I knew my father was already checking on me. So as I was driving along a smooth, straight stretch of road about 5 miles from home, I discovered I was entering a lake. I gingerly tried to make my way through. That was a mistake. The only other route I could take was sure to be flooded already. About halfway through the lake, my car died. Try as I might, I ground that ignition till my fingers were cut and aching and my headlights were dimming. I cautiously opened the door. Oh, did I mention this was my prized '57 Thunderbird? And discovered that the water was up to the frame of the car and things were starting to move. What was I to do? Then I saw headlights headed in my direction. Bless his heart, my daddy was making his way to me in his trusty old GMC pickup. We were both a little conflicted over his finding me in this predicament. But he had his hip boots on and managed to hook a chain to my car. The rest of the road was not straight and smooth. I was not very experienced at being towed. More than once, I hit the brakes at the wrong time, and my daddy had to hook me up again. We finally made it home in the wee hours of December 6th, which just happened to be my parents' 25th wedding anniversary. They had been married the day before Pearl Harbor in 1941. A great start to that momentous occasion. Thanks for giving me a chance to relive that experience. I always love hearing your show, Bobby Likis Car Clinic. Muriel Sprouse, Paso Robles, California. So Muriel, from all of the team here at Bobby Likis Car Clinic to you, we will reach out to you next week and give you the $100 gift card from yours truly. And we want to thank Bosch for being our partner sponsors and for also suggesting that we provide in this story and ask for your car stories. And for all of you and each of you that did send to us a car story, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I've shared one about my daughter. I won't do that again because you probably have already heard it, but we've all needed help along the way. So for all the fathers out there, happy Father's Day. Now let's go to Nebraska and talk with Jerry. Jerry.